All of the iron that was on our stir bars has now been dissolved into our hydrochloric acid hydrogen peroxide solution. It is now all iron 3+. We're going to remove this from the hot plate. And we're going to take the entirety of our solution and put it into this flask. This is a volumetric flask. It is designed to contain an exact amount of volume, in this case 100 milliliters. Now our solution now is not 100 milliliters of volume, it's less than that. So we're going to pour all of it in. And to ensure that we've got it all, we're going to take some deionized water and rinse our beaker a little bit with about 5 or 10 milliliters of DI water. And we're going to add that to our volumetric flask. And we'll rinse it once more just to be sure that we have gotten all of our original solution into our volumetric flask. Now we're going to take that deionized water and we're going to fill our volumetric flask up to the mark on the neck of the flask. We're going to fill that there until we are at that mark, and then we will have exactly 100 milliliters volume. And once we are there, all of the iron that was present in our 2.8 gram sample of cereal will now be contained in this volumetric flask at a volume of 100 milliliters. And to ensure it is well mixed, we're going to invert the flask a couple times to mix the solution. All right, so this is our sample, which is why we've labeled this sample. This is our sample which has all of our iron in it. When we go and test this sample with our Beer's Law in the next part of this lab, it's going to be too concentrated. It has too much iron. So we're going to dilute it. We're going to do a 4-fold dilution by taking 25 milliliters of our sample. And we're drawing this up with a volumetric pipette. And when the sample fills to this mark here, we will have 25 milliliters of our sample. Taking our time here because once we fill up the main part of this pipette, it fills very quickly into the neck. We need to stop it right at this volume here. If we go over, we can drain a little bit out. And it looks like we have the level at exactly 25 milliliters. We're going to take those 25 milliliters and add it to our volumetric flask here. And this is another 100 milliliter volumetric flask. So after these 25 milliliters are added, we're going to add deionized water, approximately 75 milliliters, until we are at the mark of this volumetric flask, and then our sample will have undergone a 4-fold dilution. And there's our diluted sample.